The shortage of labor is a serious problem, especially in welding. A flexible and easy-to-use solution is needed to assist the welders to improve their welding efficiency. Introducing newly designed compact TM3S. With the integration of a quick disconnect design, the new Cobot ensures more convenient and efficient on-site wiring. It allows for flexible redeployment and could be handled by one welder. It is easy to hand-guide the Cobot. The intuitive control interface ensures a seamless welding experience, allowing even beginners to operate with ease. The Cobot can be mounted in any position to perform precision welding on target workpieces. Offers greater application flexibility. TM Cobot provides a convenient welding platform designed to address your pain points. Contact TM today for more information.